Hey there, dream chasers want to be rich? Of course, you do, but here's the catch. Wealth isn't just about earning money. It's about growing it. Today, we're breaking down the three big questions you need to ask. Why should you invest? Where should you invest? And how can you start investing? Let's dive in. First up, why invest? The simple truth is, your money loses value over time due to inflation. Investing helps you beat inflation, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom. Whether it's buying your dream house, funding your child's education, or retiring early, it's all possible with smart investments. Now, let's talk about where to invest. It depends on your goals and risk tolerance. Here are a few options. Stock market, high risk, high reward. Ideal for long-term wealth. Mutual funds and ETFs. Diversify your portfolio without breaking the bank. Real estate. Build assets that can generate passive income. Cryptocurrency. Trendy, but risky. Know what you're doing before you dive in. Bonds. Low risk, steady returns, perfect for the conservative investor. Alright, how do you start? Here's a simple 5-step process. Set clear goals. Know why you're investing, retirement, vacation, or wealth. Assess your budget. Start with what you can afford, even if it's $10. Do your homework. Research the options and risks. Pick a platform. Use trusted apps or brokers to get started. Start small and stay consistent. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Becoming rich is a journey, not a jackpot. Smart investing requires patience, discipline, and a growth mindset. So why wait? Start investing in your future today.